had a green step. I grew in patches. I live garden. These are Asgard. They are big. They are healthy. I like Asgard. These are drumstick. They are long and green. I like drumstick. These are onions. They are round. I like onions. These are brinjals. They grow on a small plant. They have a green leafy crown. They are purple. I like brinjals. I am a carrot. I am orange. I am long and crunchy. I am a healthy snack. I grow under the dirt. Rabbits like eat to me. I help see better. Thank you. Watermelon is big fruit. It is green outside and red inside. We can make juice out of it. We eat it in summer season. I want to talk about the passion of the gardeners. Gardens are our silent product. By planting trees and flowers, they provide oxygen for us to breathe, homes for birds and bees, and a natural cooling system for our planet. Every time the gardener picks up their spade, they are expressing faith in the future. They teach us that with care, time and a little bit of love, anything can grow. Let us appreciate the gardeners in our lives that our planet remains colorful, fragrant and alive. A gardener is a natural. They know exactly when a planet is thirsty, need food, fertilizer and healed from pests or diseases.